Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Canva website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice on your device, and then in the search bar simply type in Canva and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. And then in the search bar simply type in Canva and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link and then tap on login at the top right of your screen. Hit continue with Google. Tap on your Google account to continue with Canva. Hit continue. After which you can hit skip for now for signing up with a passkey. And then you'll have logged into your Canva with your account. You can also try purchasing Canva Pro or Canva Business if you require. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.